Good morning children, Sai Ram. In previous part, we have learned about how to maintain profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account and calculation of interest on drawing. Today, we will learn about interest on capital and questions of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Let us start with the calculation of interest on capital. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2, having capital account balances of 50,000 and 40,000 on 1st April 2018. On 1st July 2018, A introduced rupees 10,000 as his additional capital, whereas B introduced only rupees 1,000. Interest on capital is allowed to partners at the rate of 10% per annum. Calculate interest on capital for the year ended 31st March 2019. Children, I already told you about partnership deed. Partnership deed means written agreement, and you have learned about the treatment of partnership deed if partnership deed is silent. It means in the absence of partnership deed. What is the accounting treatment in the absence of partnership deed? Profit sharing ratio will be equally. Interest on capital not allowed. Interest on drawing not charged. Salary commission not allowed. And interest on loan at the rate of 6% per annum. This is the treatment. In this question, profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. It means partnership deed is not silent. Okay. And two partners A and B having capital 50,000 and 40,000 on 1st April 2018. It means business started date is 1st April 2018 or financial year 1st April 2018. On 1st July 2018, A introduced 10,000 as his additional capital. A further capital introduced on July 1st 2018. It means after 3 months. And B introduced only 1,000 rupees on the same date. Interest on capital rate is given 10% per annum. Here you have to calculate interest for the year ended 31st March 2019. It means for full year interest you have to calculate. Let us see the solution, how you have to solve, how you have to calculate the interest. Children, first of all, what is the business start date? 1st April 2018. And A introduced additional capital on which date? 1st July 2018. So, first of all, we have to calculate the interest for up to 30 June 2018 because on 1st July 2018 additional capital introduced. Okay. So, up to 30 June, first of all, we will find out the interest of A and interest of B. Here, we will do the calculation of interest one by one. First of all, partner A, after that, partner B. So, start with the partner A. Date is 1st April 2018 to 30 June 2018. How many months? You can calculate. Count it. 1st April, 1st May, then 1st June. So, there are 3 months. So, first of all, you have to calculate the interest for A for how many months? 3 months. So A's capital is 50,000, 10% the rate, and 3 months 3 upon 12. In this way 1250 will come. This is the interest up to 3 months. Okay, now you have to calculate for the closing date 31st March 2019. It means up to March you have to calculate. Now what about the remaining month? How many remaining months? 9. Now from 1st July 2018 to 31st March 2019. 1st July 2018 A introduced the additional capital. So take this date 1st July 2018 up to 31st March. How many months? 9 months. Now A introduced 10,000 additional capital. Now what is the total amount of A's capital? 50,000 previous amount and 10,000 more introduced. So what is the total amount, total capital of A? 60,000. 50,000 plus 10,000, 60,000. Now from 1st July you have to calculate the interest on 60,000 because now A's capital will be 60,000. So 60,000, 10% for how many months? Remaining 9 months. So the amount is 4,500. These are the two interest. First for 3 months 1250. Now for 9 months 4,500. Now total interest of A for the whole year amount you can add 1,250 plus 4,500, 5,750. Total interest of A. In the same way you have to calculate for the partner B. Now for partner B, 1st April to 30 June 2018. Up to 30 June 2018, 3 months. So for 3 months B's capital 40,000. 40,000 into 10% for 3 months. 3 upon 12. Amount is 1,000. Now B introduced 1,000 on which date? July 1st 2018. So from July 1st up to 31st March. How many months? 9 months. Now what is the total capital of B? 40,000 previous capital, 1,000 additional capital. So what is the total capital? 41,000. So 41,000 into 10%. Here it is multiplication into 9 upon 12, 9 months. So the interest for 9 months is 3,075. Now what is the total interest of A? 1,000 plus 3,500. 1,000 plus 30,075. Add it and the answer is 4,075. 4,075. In this way you have to solve the questions of based on interest on capital. Now we will start question based on these small topics. In this question we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So I am reading it. Listen carefully. A and B started a partnership business on 1st April 2018. Their capital contribution were rupees 2 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively. The partnership deed provided as follow. A part, interest on capital be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. B part, A to get salary of rupees 2,000 per month and B rupees 3,000 per month. Salary of A and B is given monthly. Monthly salary you have to calculate for yearly. You have to convert yearly. Okay. C part, profit are to be shared in the ratio of 3:2. Profit sharing ratio is given. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was rupees 2,16,000. Interest on drawing amounted to rupees 2,200 for A and 2,500 for B. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and the partners capital account. Children, in this question you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. I have already gave you the format of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So, but one thing you have to see or you have to note down, you can note down in your rough notebook one point for the profit sharing ratio. In this question, profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. If it is not given, profit sharing ratio is not given, then you have to see in the question, if it is written the profit sharing ratio will be in the capital ratio, then ratio you have to calculate on the basis of the partner's capital. But if this line is also not written, then you have to take equally. Profit sharing ratio will be equally. If no for the ratio no line is, no statement is given, nothing is written, then you have to take the profit sharing ratio equally. This you have to write down. Be careful for the profit sharing ratio. Sometimes in the question it is not given, profit sharing ratio not given, then you have to take equally. But read the question till end, after that take equally. First of all, read the question till end, then take equally. Sometimes ratio will be given downside also at the end of the question also. So read the each and every line of the question carefully, and after that you have to take the ratio. Okay, but in this question ratio is already given 3:2, so there is no problem. Now let us make the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account, you already know the format. First side belongs to debit side, second side belongs to credit. So first of all, from the question, net profit you have to transfer, always transfer credit side. Net profit is given 2,16,000 in the question. Here in the question, interest on drawing is also given. If drawing is given, then do not write drawing in the P&L appropriation. Only interest you have to write down. If here interest on drawing already calculated amount is given. Sometimes percentage is given and amount is also given. Then from two of the item you have to take only amount. Do not take the percentage. If only percentage is given, then you have to calculate the interest on drawing, which I taught in previous video. In the same way you have to calculate interest on drawing and write down in the credit side of the P&L appropriation account like this. Okay, in this question interest on drawing amount is given, so you can directly write down. Now come to the debit side. In A point, interest on capital 10% is given. Interest on capital I already told you in today's video how you have to calculate the interest. Here 10% is given, no additional capital is given, so you can directly apply in the partner's capital into 10%. So here 20,000 and 15,000 A and B interest, so total is 3,500. In this way you have to write down. Now in B point, A salary is given 2,000 per month. So in 1 year how many months? 12. So multiply 2,000 into 12, 24,000, and B salary 3,000 into 12, 36,000. So A salary and B salary write down debit side. Now no other thing is given. In C point only ratio is given 3:2. Now what you have to do? Do the total of credit side, net profit plus interest on drawing, total is 2,20,700. Both side you have to write down. Here debit side is shorter, so answer you have to write down 1,25,700 in the debit side. This answer you have to write down. Now how you have to divide this amount in two partners? Here ratio is given 3:2. This is the ratio amount, and the amount is 125,700 into 3/5. This is the first partner ratio. 3:2. So first partner 3, and the total of 3 plus 2 5. Total of 3 plus 2 5. Write down in the denominator. So 12570 0 0. There are 2 0. 125,700 into 3/5. So the answer is 75420. This is for the A. Now for the B, again you have to write 125,700. Now the B ratio is 2 and total denominator is 5. 3 plus 2 5. So in this way you have to calculate for A and B. In this way you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now we will make partners capital account. Now we will make partners capital account. Partners capital account format I have given. First side, debit side, 2 partners, so make 2 column of amount A and B. Similarly in credit side also particular, then A and B. There are 2 partners, so make 2 column. If there are 3 partners, make 3 column. 4 partners, 4 column. Okay, both sides you have to make same. Now first of all, this is the capital account, partners capital account. So first thing you have to transfer partners capital. So partners capital is always given in the question. Write down by balance brought down 2 lakh and 1,50,000. When you will read the question, it is given. By balance brought down 2 lakh, 1,50,000. 2 lakh of A, 1,50,000 of B. Balance brought down means opening capital. After that, how you have to write down in the partners capital from the P&L appropriation account. You have already made P&L appropriation account. Debit side items you have to write down in partners capital account credit side. All the debit side items you have to write down in the partners capital account credit side. Okay. So first of all, what you have written in P&L appropriation? Debit side, interest on capital. So write down in the partners capital account credit side. Column of 2 partners is given here. You can write down the amount separately. After that, salary is given in P&L appropriation. Salary is written. So write down salary also. And the next is you have distributed the profit which you have find out. So that profit you have to transfer in partners capital account and write down in the A column and B column. Now come to the debit side. In debit side you have to transfer from the P&L appropriation account all the credit side item of P&L appropriation account. You have to transfer debit side except the net profit, because net profit is already transferred amount. Net profit you have to transfer from the P&L account. P&L account which you have made in the sole proprietorship. Okay. So do not transfer net profit in partners capital account. Net profit only you have to transfer in the profit and loss appropriation account. Except net profit you can transfer all things. So all things means only interest on drawing is there. So transfer the interest on drawing. If in the question drawing amount is given, you have to write down drawing before of interest on drawing. Okay. So first you can write down drawing, after that interest on drawing. But here no drawing amount is given. So you can directly write down interest on drawing 200, 2,500 of B. After that you have to do the balance. Here balance side, credit side is greater. Total of A, then total of B. Do the total of A. After that when you will subtract from the interest on drawing, answer of A 3,17,220 will come as balance CD. Balance CD means closing capital amount. In the same way, you can do the total of credit side of B partner account, and after that subtract with the 2,500. Answer of 2,48,780 will come. In this way, you have to prepare partner's capital account. I hope you all have understood how to maintain profit and loss appropriation account and partner's capital account. Children, in today's video, you have learned about calculation of interest on drawing and partner's capital account and profit and loss appropriation account. Now you have to solve the question which I have given as assignment in rough notebook. Okay. Thank you and Sai Ram.